Welcome back to Infinite Narratives. While Earth is facing wars, economic crises, pandemics, and political tensions, something very different is happening above our heads. A silent competition is unfolding in space. Countries are racing to control satellites, the moon, future space stations, and even Mars. But this is not just about rockets. It's about power, technology, communication, and the future of humanity. So, who is really winning the new space race? Why space matters more than ever? In the past, space exploration was mainly about science and prestige. Today, it is about survival and influence. Satellites control, internet, GPS, weather prediction, banking systems, military communication. During pandemics, satellite networks kept the world connected. During conflicts, space technology became a strategic tool. During economic crises, space industries created new markets. Space is no longer optional, it is essential. The United States leads the modern space race through a unique model. On one side, there is the government agency NASA. On the other side, there are powerful private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin. This partnership changed everything. Rockets became reusable, launch costs dropped, innovation accelerated. The Artemis program aims to return humans to the moon. Mars missions are being prepared. Satellite networks are expanding globally. The US model is simple. Government opens the road. Companies press the accelerator. This makes the United States extremely competitive. China follows a very different strategy. Everything is coordinated by the China National Space Administration. No chaos, no loud announcements, just long-term planning. China built its own space station, landed on the moon, reached Mars, developed its own navigation system. China's approach is patience, step by step, year by year. While others move fast, China moves steadily. And in the long run, that can be very powerful. Russia is one of the founders of space exploration. First satellite, first human in space, first long-term space stations. For decades, Russia was a giant. Its agency, Roscosmos, operated some of the most reliable spacecraft in history. For many years, Soyuz was the only way to reach the International Space Station. Even NASA depended on it. But today, Russia faces challenges: economic pressure, limited budgets, fewer international partnerships. Russia still has experience and engineering talent, but without major investment, it risks losing momentum. Europe focuses on scientific excellence. Through the European Space Agency, it has created some of the most successful space missions ever. Telescopes, planetary probes, data systems. Europe leads in research quality. But political complexity and limited budgets slow decision-making. Europe has a brilliant mind, but not always strong muscles. India represents a different philosophy. Through Indian Space Research Organization, it proves that space does not require endless money. India reaches the moon and Mars with extremely low budgets. Its missions are fast, efficient, and innovative. The Chandrayaan program showed that smart engineering can compete with superpowers. India may become one of the biggest winners of the next generation. Japan brings technological perfection to space. Its agency, Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency, specializes in robotics, asteroid missions, and deep space probes. Japanese spacecraft have collected samples from asteroids. Japanese engineering focuses on reliability and detail. Japan may not be the loudest player, but it is one of the smartest. South Korea is a newcomer with ambition. Through the Korea Aerospace Research Institute, it is building independent launch systems and lunar missions. Korea combines strong electronics, AI, and manufacturing with space technology. In the next decade, it could surprise many people. How do global crises shape space? Wars, pandemics, and economic crises reshape space exploration. Conflicts increase satellite security needs. Pandemics boost digital infrastructure. AI accelerates data processing. Climate change increases Earth monitoring. Every crisis pushes countries to invest more in space. When Earth becomes unstable, space becomes strategic. Who will lead the next 20 years? If current trends continue, the main leaders will likely be United States and China, strong competitors, Europe, India, and Japan. Rising players, South Korea and UAE, private companies. The future will not belong to one country. It will belong to networks, partnerships, and innovation. The new space race is not about flags on the moon. It is about communication, resources, security, and knowledge. Whoever masters space shapes the future of Earth. And this race is only just beginning. Welcome to the silent battle for the stars. This is Infinite Narratives. Subscribe for more cosmic stories.